And this is my kobalt. I know you know what that is. Table saw. Kobalt table saw. Extendable version. That's gonna be my crosscut sled. That's my zero clearance insert. Thanks to a lot of comments and ideas how I can make it. Nobody has responded, but anyway, it's an 1/8 of an inch thick cardboard, and I added this as a support. It's another hardwood. Put some hardware on it so it stays in place. You can see it's only an 1/8 of an inch, so it works. Snaps in, flush. This will be the crosscut sled when I'm done with it. Okay, come back.